Hello, so I'm Chris Young from Norbar Torque Tools. What I'm going to be showing you today is the EBT-C, a tool for delivering controlled torque, intelligent joint sensing, premium gearboxes. Its compact size, which is 20% smaller than our current offerings. Before we're going to start using the tool, let's consider the manual. Let's take a look at the tool. What do we got? We've got our gearbox, the reaction arm, our 5 amp-hour battery, forward reverse switch, trigger, and of course our display. So let's look at battery charging. EBT comes with a charger. It's a fast charger, 30 minutes from empty to full. Let's insert our battery. We've got a flashing green LED indicating that we're charging. Once we've gone to a solid green, battery is fully charged. Compress the 2 clips, remove, and you're good to start working. Before we start carrying out any task, consider a local risk assessment. You might require gloves, eyeglasses, or ear protection. Let's look at starting to use the tool. Out of the box, the battery is missing, so let's insert your battery. Now consider the reaction. Standard cranked reaction supplied with the tool. If that cranked reaction isn't fit for purpose on your application, Norbar have a range of accessories that can be used. Please speak to your distributor to arrange this. If we do need to change the cranked reaction, we take a screwdriver, we remove the circlip, slide, replace with our replacement. The product itself is going to deliver accurate torque. Adding that torque value to the tool itself is simplicity. We can have pre-arranged presets, we can have presets torque only, torque followed by angle, or torque followed by turns. So the tool itself can work with up to 10 presets, and we can just toggle between those when working on our jobs. To introduce a preset, come to our hamburger, return, preset, return. It will show you preset number 1. We're going to come up, preset number 2 is empty, return, edit preset. We can select torque, torque and angle. We're going to use torque and angle for the purpose of this demonstration. Clockwise, torque control, counterclockwise, or both. We're going to have clockwise only torque control. Torque units, we're going to select Newton meters. Our torque tolerance is the tolerance of which the tool looks at the application. So you might have an application where, for example, you're working with plus or minus 10% torque control, and you can set the tool to that, and that's where it's going to give you its pass, the end of joint completion. Angle. In terms of our angle accuracy, again, we can control this in terms of what the tool's looking for. So we can come up, we can come down. Let's return. From there, do we want to save it? Have we made a mistake? Do we want to discard? We're going to save this. So when we're putting our tool away, put it back in its Norbar carry case. This allows you to store the tool with the reaction on, any sockets you might be using, or any accessories. Now that we've covered the basic setup, if you should have any further questions, check out the Norbar website, look at the manual, or contact your trusted Norbar distributor.